was flooded with lights. Ladies, gentlemen, and children, I give you 3 cheers for Thomas the Tank Engine and all his friends who have made this occasion possible. Suddenly there was a strange whirring sound, bringing the greatest surprise of all. Father Christmas! Everyone cheered, and the party began.
Sir, my very own medal, said Thomas. Thank you.
3 cheers for Thomas, the #1 engine. But I still won the race, tooted Bertie.
Thomas just beeped happily. And plenty of cakes. Everyone had a wonderful time. The children cheered for Thomas. Thomas felt very proud. The holiday season. Everybody cheered. Thomas was so pleased. The children were delighted to see Thomas and Mr. Snowman. They cheered and cheered. And Thomas was very happy to have returned their frosty friend. The Fat Controller and Lady Hat were very pleased to see their brand new Hat Blue car. Everyone clapped and cheered, and Thomas cheered loudest of all. And the grand finale. Abracadabra! Thomas was amazed. The children clapped and cheered. The children laughed and cheered, and Thomas was the star of the show.